Good morning, children. Let us continue history lesson 5. In previous classes, I have explained about the Janapadas and Mahajanapadas and also the capital of the Magadha and Pataliputra. About Vajji, I have explained for you. We have learned more information. In the last paragraph, let us continue today. And Ajatashatru and the Vajji. Ajatashatru is the very great ruler also, we can say that. The Vajji place, Ghana, the group of the people, they were ruling these places. So Ajatashatru wanted to attack the Vajji. He sent his minister named Vashakara to Buddha to get his advice on the matter. So he sent his minister to get the advice to about the information or any. He sent to Vashakara to the Buddha to get more advice. And the Buddha asked whether the Vajjis met frequently in full assemblies. When he heard that they did, he replied that the Vajji would continue to prosper as long as. Then the Buddha said that the Vajji, it is the different group of the people were ruling the place of the Vajji. It is going to be prosper or blooming. They held and frequent public assemblies. So in the place of the Vajji, they were conducting the different assembly and gathering together. They met and acted together also. They followed, established the rules. So in the place of the Vajji, all together, they were established the different rules. They respected, support and listened to elders. In the place of the Vajji, the Ghana and all the different group of the groups, they come together and they respect and listen to the elders also. Vajji women were not held by force or captured. And here the Vajji's women, they not held by force or captured also. The Chaityas means local shrines were maintained in both town and villages also. Wise saints who followed different beliefs were respected and allowed the entire and leave the country freely. So the Buddha's advice to the Ajatashatru minister and how the Vajji is blooming under these principles, conducting the assemblies, and also they were giving respect for the elders, and all together they were giving respect elders and all together working together. And last paragraph, rajas of powerful kingdoms tried to conquer the sanghas. So all the like a Ajatashatru and other kings, they wanted to be occupy the place of the Vajji. And also nevertheless these lasted for a very long time, till about 1500 years ago, when the last of the Ganas or Sanghas were conquered by the Gupta rulers. So children, the rulers, the great kings, whoever coming to occupy the place of the Vajji, all the Sanghas, Ganas, they were together fighting. And since how many years? 1500 years ago also they all together ruled their place. But the Sanghas were conquered by the Gupta rulers. About the Gupta rulers, who are the rulers ruled the Vajji, and how they conquered, how they occupied the place of the Vajji, we can see in the about to whom you will read in the chapter 10 also. So children, you have to read the true or false and you have to answer it, and question and answers are there. The people who are paying the taxes also, it is there. Once read the lesson and answer the true or false and all the question and answers what is there in the textbook also. Read carefully and understand more by reading. So children, the lesson is over. Then we'll continue tomorrow the next lesson. Thank you.